proof of vaccination for rabies. V130930, harboring an unlicensed dog. And V130931, failed to vaccinate a dog. All right, so these 7 tickets. This was for 2 separate dogs, Mr. Moore?
Yes.
Okay. All right. 1 second. All right, counsel.
Your Honor, at this time, the city isn't extended any type of plea offer. Mr. Moore did have a few documents, but I believe the city needs to reach out to the animal control officer. So we would like to have this matter set for a bench trial.
Very well. All right, Mr. Moore, you understand the difference between a bench trial, also referred to by many people as a judge trial, and a jury trial? You understand the difference?
I do.
Okay, and it's your decision to have a bench trial, sir?
Yes, my decision.
All right, sir. We're going to give you a bench trial date of January the 16th of 2024 at 9 a.m. January the 16th at 9 a.m. It's going to be on Zoom, sir. So you'll come out here on Zoom the same way you came out today. Do you expect to have any witnesses to testify on your own behalf, sir?
I got only witness I got is my yard. I got a fenced-in yard to say my dogs didn't do what they saying my dogs did, but that's the only witness. I got pictures and documentation.
Sir, you talk to your attorney about that. You can't say these things to me, because if I'm the judge and I don't know if I will be or not, but if you said some things today and then on trial you say something different, that's not good for you. That's why you talk to your attorney in private. You don't say things to me. So, and if you have those things, you talk to your attorney about it, and she'll tell you how to proceed and how you can use that. So I don't know what was going on, sir. And just because you have a fence does not mean your dogs were within your fence on that date. So I don't know, but I'm just saying that doesn't automatically say, see, I have a fence. You know, I've had dogs in the past. I had a fence and I take my dogs out walking, but that means when they're outside the fence, and I don't know what in your case is, I don't know what the facts are. I don't know. So I'm just saying, you don't talk to me about your case or any judge. You only talk at the time of your trial. So any event.
Absolutely. No, I don't have any, I wouldn't have any witnesses on my behalf, I believe.
Okay. All right. So you'll talk to your attorney. What we're going to do is, all right. You got all the information. January 16th at 9 a.m. You come back out here. We'll have your trial on that date, sir.
January 16th at 9 a.m.
Yes.
Court. Thank you.
All right. Have a good day. Stay safe, sir.
All right, you too, Your Honor.
Hello, I can't hear you.
Mr. Moore, no one's talking to you now. When we have something to say to you, we will call your name and have you unmute your microphone. Until then, just keep your microphone muted. Attorney Wilkerson?
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
Okay, are we ready on Ricky Moore?
Yes, we are.
Okay. All right, Mr. Moore, unmute your microphone, turn your camera on. Raise your right hand. State your full name.
Ricky Moore.
Mr. Moore, do you swear or affirm to tell the complete truth?
Yes, sir.
You may lower your hand, sir. Mr. Moore, you have ticket number P1452562. The People versus Ricky, R-I-C-K-Y, Moore, M-O-O-R-E. Mr. Moore, you have, let's see, let me check something here. You're charged with urinating and or defecating in public. You also have ticket number SP1452561. Throw, dump, or place or deposit litter from a vehicle onto public or private property. Counsel?
Excuse
Counsel?
me, sir.
Yes.
1 second, Mr. Moore, please don't say anything about your case.
Go ahead, counsel. What are we
Your
gonna
Honor,
do?
I've had the opportunity to speak with Mr. Moore regarding these matters. I did discuss the plea offer with Mr. Moore. He would like to avail himself to the plea offer, which was a plea on both counts under 3-month delayed sentence.
Okay. All right, Mr. Moore, you understand if you plead under what is called a delayed sentence, what will happen there is if you plead guilty today, you will get a fine and on these matters, but in 3 months, if you have not picked up any other cases and your fine is paid, these matters would be dismissed and they would not be on your record. Do you understand that, Mr. Moore?
Yes.
Counsel says you want to take advantage of that and you want to proceed today by pleading on these cases and having them dismissed in 3 months. Is that correct, sir?
Could I please speak to my attorney for a minute?
Yes, you can.
Hey,
Yeah,
please.
no, sir, you asked to speak to your attorney. We're gonna do that. So I don't want you to keep talking because I don't want you to say anything that I shouldn't hear. So when you talk to your attorney, you can say anything. I don't, and that's a private conversation. Counsel, you put him in a breakout room and go in and talk with him.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, are you available now?
He's gonna do it right now, Mr. Moore. She's gonna take you in a room right now. Just hold on. It's gonna just take. She has to set it up. You'll be there in a minute.
You should see a prompt to join. Your Honor, we're ready to proceed now.
Attorney Wilkerson, you said this is a plea to both charges?
Yes, Your Honor. The city and
Alright.
state both gave the same plea offer.
All right. All right, sir, what we're gonna do is I've already sworn you in, Mr. Moore, so you've already sworn to tell the truth. And now I'm just gonna go through the plea offer, the details of the plea. Mr. Moore, you've already indicated that you wanted to take advantage of this offer. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
You understand you're waiving your right to have a trial and where you could challenge these charges?
Yes, sir.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yeah.
And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Mr. Moore, on the date of June the 3rd of this year, 2023, did you, one, either urinate or defecate in public? I
Yes.
think it says you were urinating on a wall.
Yes.
Is that correct, sir? All right.
Yes.
And that was in a public place, correct?
Yes.
All right. And on that same date, sir, did you throw some trash onto either public property or on someone's private property?
Yes.
All right. The court will find you guilty of both of those matters, sir. What we were going to do is we're going to give you a date. 3 months from today's date.
Yes.
3 months from today's date, sir, was January the 25th of 2024. January 25th. On that date, we will look into the computer. We will see your fine is going to be $225 for each one of these matters. So that's $450. On the date of January the 25th, we will look in the computer. If those fines are paid and you have not picked up any other cases, these matters will be dismissed. What I'm going to ask that you do, sir, is at least 2 days before January 25th, make sure that is paid. Because if you
Your
do
Honor,
it on that same,
sorry to
yes.
cut you off, but if I may, can I speak on Mr. Moore's behalf briefly?
Go ahead.
Mr. Moore doesn't have income. He's wondering if the court would allow him to do community service in lieu of fines and costs.
Okay, we can do that.
I did. I was trying to see if there, he's supposed to be checking to see if somebody had turned in something. On my AirPods. All right, thank you. Okay, thank you.
All right, Mr. Moore, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you 5 days of community service. All right,
Okay.
so yeah, I'm gonna give you 5 days of community service. What's going to happen, sir, is you're going to we're gonna give you a telephone number to the probation department. And you're gonna call them. They're gonna arrange for you to have community service someplace. If you do have a place that you want to go to, like, you know, a family church or something like that, or a community center, they will contact them and get it approved with them that you're gonna do the work there. And once you do those 5 days of community service, I'm gonna give you a review date. I'm gonna give you that review date today. How long? I'm gonna give you, well, I'm just gonna give you a pretrial date, sir, of January the 16th. No, it's not gonna be that far out. Let's see, today is I'm gonna give you a date of November the 24th. On November the 24th, let's see, nobody's gonna be here. That's the day after Thanksgiving. November the 22nd. On November the 22nd, you'll come back out here. Wait, hold on one second.
I can't hear you.
He said one
That's because I'm
second,
not
Mr. Moore.
talking to you, sir. So
Oh.
we're gonna give you the date to come back on November the 29th. November the 29th at 9 a.m. You come back, you bring proof that you've done your 5 days of community service. And at that time, your matter will be dismissed. So I want you to take this number down, sir.
Okay, hold on. Hold on, please.
Go ahead, sir. Take your time.
Okay, what is it, sir?
The telephone number is 313
313
965
965
3414.
3414.
Yes. You call that number, tell them you have to do 5 days community service. They'll set something up with you. You'll come back out here on November 29th with proof that you did your 5 days of community service.
Okay, when you say come out there, what you mean? What, come to the 13th District Court?
Come out here on Zoom, sir. On Zoom,
Okay.
just like you did today.
Okay, no problem.
All right. All right. You're all set, sir. We'll see you on that day.
All right, thank you. So I hang up.
Yes, sir. You're all set.
All right, thank you. All right.
Okay, Attorney Miller, are we ready on your case?
I I don't believe so yet. Is Prosecutor Rogers there?
She's not, I mean, she said she did a offer.
Yeah, my supervisor was gonna give her a call, Ryan, and
Okay,
I don't know if that's occurred yet.
okay. I'll text her and see.
Okay, thank you. Sorry.
Okay. This is weird. Someone just called me. I tried to call back, but it's not calling, it's not doing anything. I know why. Because they called me from a number, it was no caller ID. So, Mayweather Fisher. Who is your friend? So how did so who did this? So they knew already? Mm. Well, you know what? Everything about me told me that if they're putting that off, it's because there's a conflict with the governor's schedule. That's it. That's the only thing it could be. Well, well, no, that's what I'm saying. That's why I'm saying it couldn't be anybody but them because that's the only one that has, that has to be involved. And, so.
Crystal, I'll be right. I'm sorry, Judge.
So,
Okay,
I'll be right back.
okay.
I'm back. Thank you.
Okay, Attorney Wilkerson, you can probably go ahead and go since the last case is a retained case and we're not letting anybody else in, so.
All righty then, that works for me. You all have a good day.
All right, thank you. Appreciate you. Attorney Miller, do you know how much longer it's gonna be? Because Sydney said she hadn't heard from Ryan.
All right, I'm gonna figure it out right now. I'm sorry. I don't want to keep wasting the court's time. I'm sorry. One moment.
Madam Clerk?
Yes.
Oh, okay, I'm just checking. You know what? I dropped off and I don't know what happened. So I'm back. You probably didn't even notice I was gone.
Until I heard the little chime thing though.
Oh, okay, I'm back.
Okay.
Are we ready?
No, we still.
I believe we are ready now. No rush, just FYI.
Very well, sir. Let's call the case. Let me turn my camera back on. All right, Mr. Philip Motts.
He's here with me, Your Honor.
All right, there you go. All right, sir, I need you to raise your right hand and state your full name.
Philip Motts.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the complete truth?
Yes, sir.
You may lower your hand, sir. All right, counsel, I don't know that I have the offer in hand. Could you tell me what, or actually I can do this through the council.
Your Honor, if I may, we're actually going to be getting a new date on this one in order to essentially complete a driver's course and some other things to hopefully.
Oh, very well.
Offer.
All right, how much time do you need, sir?
Probably 30 days, 3 weeks, 30 days, if that's okay.
All right, what we can do, let's see, today is October the 25th. How about, why don't we just do it on November the 29th?
That works for us. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, so we'll return on November 29th. And just for my understanding, what is the offer going to be?
Essentially, after we show a driving course and a few other things, the people are willing to amend the offer on one of the moving violations. And so that's kind of what's.
All right. Well, you know what? I'll get it from the prosecution when we come back on November the 29th.
Very well.
9 a.m.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, everybody. Have a good day. Sorry to
Have a good day.
take over.
All right. We have Officer Patman.
Good morning, Anna.
And how are you today, sir?
I'm good. How are you?
All right. I'm guessing, or I believe that the prosecutors talked to you about this as well. Is that correct, about the offer that was being made?
I haven't spoken with her, but I'm okay with it.
Okay, all right. I just wanted to make sure that you know that we certainly recognize what you guys do as important and often dangerous, and you should be talked to, or let you know, just let you know that don't just let you out to do things and then say, oh, we'll just not, we don't care what they think. We'll just make an offer. So, or
No, I appreciate it all the time.
all right. All right, sir. Well, you stay safe out there. And since this is not done yet, I'm sure the prosecutor will be in touch with you. So,
All right, thanks, Ron. You and yourself have a good day.
too.
Good morning, Judge.